All right, my background is a little bit unusual. I immigrated from France and I actually have a background in business. But I started working for an energy advising firm here in Vancouver and loved it. Loved the building science, understanding how buildings are made, how air and moisture move through a building. And got excited when I learned about embodied carbon and really realized that's a missing piece of how we build our homes. It's great to make them energy efficient, but if you also don't consider the impact of your materials, then you're missing a big part of your potential impact on your buildings. So became quite obsessed with embodied carbon and founded CarbonWise in 2022 to bridge the gap and address energy efficiency and embodied carbon.
Elizabeth is a real pioneer in the high-performance building world. She's very passionate about the embodied carbon of materials, and I was focusing on the operational carbon. And so we'll be able to connect and talk about how we can build better and retrofit better in the zero carbon building world. It's just been a great overall experience, and I'm really proud of the company and the team that she's created with CarbonWise, and I'm glad that we're able to work together. A true leader needs to be recognized every once in a while for their hard work.
Over the years, they moved from being energy advisors mostly to now being some of the leaders in Canada, even in North America, in terms of life cycle assessments, embodied carbon. I do presentations across Canada on this topic. And it comes really from our passion to move the industry forward and be progressive and be at the cutting edge. And sometimes I realize we win these awards, like the Build Green Award, and it's yes, we are innovators, and realizing that we are trying to challenge the status quo and build better.
Being able to add a level of innovation and curiosity into their business model and then be able to make it rewarding, that's very much what Elizabeth and her team do. And so you talk about innovation, they're breaking through barriers and creating a great legacy for all of us to kind of enjoy and hang on to her coattails, because they're doing amazing work.
We work with Build Green because we are on the technical committee and working on that checklist and making improvements to it through the embodied carbon lens. Build Green provides this framework where you can select and pick what makes the most sense for your project. It is above building code. It is above anything that's being done if you just follow the bare minimum. And I think this is just a good way of just pushing everybody to do better little by little.